Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. Hey, what's going on with the YouTube? What's going on with the tool gang, KoyotePack? You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all know how we do it. Oh! Hey, y'all know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KT, man. Y'all back on that channel, man. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? It's 2021. We're going for them 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? We're around the corner from it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's keep growing. Let's keep shining. You know what I'm saying? It helps me, help you, help me when you subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? If you want me to keep growing and you want the channel to get bigger, that way we can start doing more giveaways and different type of raffles and stuff like that. When we get to the point when we raffle the cars and stuff like that, then it starts with the initial support. You know what I'm saying? You help me grow, then in result, you know what I'm saying, I help you guys bring y'all guys better content. But anyway, I got a dope video that I'm gonna do today. It's pretty unique, a little different. I'm actually about to help my man Black Spice Curly, aka hit him on YouTube. Link will be in the description. You know what I'm saying? Drinking with the Curlies. My boy Rashad. I'm about to help him. A couple days ago was his anniversary, so technically it's the anniversary weekend. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to help him, and yes, it does involve a car, so this is gonna be pretty dope. It's something that he wants to do for himself and his wife for their anniversary. He wants to surprise her with a cool ride that they're gonna, I'm pretty sure, take out and enjoy for their anniversary. So you know he had to call his boy Coyote boy KT. But nevertheless, you know what I'm saying, y'all stay tuned, because we about to get into this, you know what I'm saying, and make this a great experience. Look at that car moving. Ooh. In the middle of the alleyway. We gotta get that out the way. But anyway, nevertheless, let me give y'all a cold start. I know it's been a while since y'all guys heard a cold start from Ermac. Let me see if he still got it. I'm about to make my way to where I gotta go. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, what's going on, KoyotePack? So we have put up to the spot where the car is currently being held, and I got my boy right here with me. How you feel, man? Hey, I think he's excited up under that mask right now. You can't see him right now. I think he's real excited. But anyway, let me get y'all the footage of this car. That boy got a little bad. Ooh. Yes, sir. The interior looking nice on here. The dash. The dash. Yes,
say, folks will have some fun.
That boy finna have some fun, man. That's what I'm talking about. But anyway, you guys, we about to get to the next location. You know what I'm saying? He still has to pull up on wifey and surprise us. So
Still gotta go to the Omni.
To the Omni.
The hotel.
Yes, sir. So they got a full night ahead of them. You know what I'm saying? But we about to follow him to the spot. We finna get his wife's reaction. So that's what's gonna be real key. So anyway, stay tuned. Man, so tell them where we at right now, man.
We're at the Omni right now.
We're at the Omni Hotel of Dallas.
Yeah, so we gonna check in real quick. I got some things I want to do, trying to set up the room first.
I gotta have a mask on. I'm gonna put my mask on. I forgot my mask.
Never many years did I think that I'll be doing this for my anniversary.
Hey man, you know, when she a hell of a woman, man, you gotta give her what she deserves.
What she deserves, huh?
Yes, sir. This is like on my second time being in here.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. At first I just came through and walked through. Look like the fire. Look at this view, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me step on back the other way. I might take this with me. Okay. Okay.
This a view right here. This a view, man. South side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can't be good.
Hey, you guys, I think my man wife is gonna be real shocked when she come up in here after it get decorated. It's not decorated right now. We just coming to check and make sure everything's okay. Then he got a special decorator that's gonna come in, and all this is gonna be different. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, got the shampoo and conditioner. Sir.
You got a TV in the thing?
This kind of show I want. I like this. Yeah, that motherfucker. Hey, I need to put that on the crib.
The whole lot of baby making.
Ooh, plan B.
Too bad the tools tied.
Oh, okay.
Too bad the tools is tied.
Got the freeze.
Real safe, not that good stuff.
Oh. Okay, cars.
What else do you need?
Man, this is player made right here. Player and tailor made, especially when it gets decorated. Gotcha.
Don't scare the hell out of me like that.
Gotcha.
How are you? What's happening?
Huh?
What's happening?
So I want to get some of the two-seater so we can be more intimate. More intimate with each other.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Oh, he took me to go get it.
Yeah, I had to be his personal cameraman for today.
Okay.
So, you know.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You okay?
I'm good. Was not expecting this now.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's get in. Because if you can get in bed, I can.
Okay.
Man, it's right there.
Hey, I think she like it.
I think so.
Thank you.
Oh, hi, keep on the way. Appreciate you, boy.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, boy.
You want a picture? You want to sit on the hood? Or?
I don't sell it.
Once again, man, I want to say happy anniversary, man, to the Curleys, man. Make sure y'all also, like I said, go down in the description, check their channel out. Hey, man, I hope they enjoy their anniversary, man. But y'all already know, hey, it's 2021. But technically, we already up one. So y'all already know how it go. Hey, it's on now. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fun.